Perform a routine follow-up on remedy models 1100 and 1600. Begin by interrogating the device. A pop-up message will alert you to any critical information related to the battery, device, or therapy status. If no concerns are noted, continue by selecting the routine follow-up box. This 6-step checklist is designed to guide clinicals through a comprehensive routine follow-up for a patient. Complete the checklist sequentially from left to right and top to bottom. To unlock each step, click the corresponding box on the left side. The information displayed on the left side reflects the current parameter settings of the device. Step 1. Initial information. This step will show the following details: 6-digit patient ID, any concomitant device, type of stimulation lead, therapy mode, battery voltage, device serial number, and weekly titration status, including the current week if titration is active. Step 2. Download and review data. To advance to Step 2, click the box on the left to unlock it. Click the battery history icon to review the battery status and voltage. If the battery voltage is 2.6 volts, elective replacement indicator, or 2.5 volts, end of life, please contact Zoll Respicardia. Click the full report icon to download data from the IPG memory and automatically open Remedy Reports 5.0 located in the taskbar. This process will take approximately 2 minutes to download 6 months worth of data. An alert message will appear if there are any available full night records, how long the operation will take, and if you wish to download them. Select Yes if you wish to download the full night waveform data. Proceed to Step 3 by selecting the box on the left to unlock the IPG time icon. Step 3. Device time and daylight saving time. Verify the device's current time by selecting the IPG time icon. If necessary, adjust it by selecting the correct time and pressing Set Time, or choose Set with PC Time. Below the current time, check the daylight saving time. If an update is needed, you will receive a warning message. Note that the device must be off to update DST. For planned travel across time zones, enter the details using the Travel tool. Refer to the Travel tool video for guidance. Once adjustments are complete, click Close and move on to Step 4. Step 4. Impedance testing. Select the impedance icon and perform tests on the program electrode pair and all unipolar electrode pairs. If an impedance value falls below the program minimum impedance limit or exceeds the program maximum impedance limit, contact Zoll Respicardia. This is a simulated patient and therefore will read out of range impedance. For instructions, refer to the impedance test video. Step 5. Threshold testing. Before beginning threshold testing, review the remedy reports to evaluate the patient's condition and determine if any changes to the minimum and maximum amplitudes are needed. 3 key considerations for threshold testing. 1 is to perform testing in the patient's normal sleeping posture. 2 is to test all quadrants. And 3 is to ensure the device is in off mode during testing. Turn off therapy by selecting Mode, then Off and Program. For more information, see the threshold test video. After completing the threshold test, a message will prompt you to reprogram the device to therapy or monitor mode. Step 6. Final programming and session end. Before proceeding to final step, review the parameter settings and make any necessary adjustments based on the remedy reports, threshold testing, or patient preference. Perform the final steps using the acronym PTIRE. P stands for Program, select Program. T stands for Set Time. Set the time by clicking Set Time in the time icon. I stands for Interrogate, interrogate the device. R stands for remove the wand from the patient. And E stands for End Session. Click End Session. This will generate end session reports. Once all boxes are marked with a blue check, click OK and exit the programmer. These are the steps for how to perform a routine follow-up on remedy models 1100 and 1600.